everyone, it's Elise, the Portland Regional Director, and I wanted to come on here and share one of the most exciting, in my opinion, examples of a way that churches are coming together in this time and not sitting idle and taking action in this pandemic time to unite and serve their community. And so what I want to talk to you today is about the Community Care Initiative, which is happening in Clackamas County. So the Community Care Initiative, or CCI, there is a website if you want to Google them, is essentially an initiative of the Sheriff's Office in Clackamas County. And they decided to launch this program to reach the seniors in their community, since the seniors really are the most vulnerable population. And so they were able to generate a list of 30,000 names and phone numbers, which is incredible. And they are trying to call every single one of those people. And the cool thing is they already have the back-end support. So if they call somebody and they actually express a need, like I need food or I need a supply, I need toilet paper, they have the system in place where the volunteer who's calling can actually input that into the form and somebody else can deliver that to them. So they've got it all thought out. But what they don't have is enough help to call those 30,000 names. And so they came up with a little volunteering sign-up system where people can get a quick background check and have a script and 50 names essentially given to them to call. And so they put the call out for volunteers, and one local church heard about this and thought, hey, we've actually done something similar. They had already called all of the seniors in their church through a similar form system just to check in. And so they said, we could get you some volunteers to do this. And so these volunteers are essentially calling and saying, hi, I'm Elise from X, Y, and Z church, and I'm calling on behalf of the Sheriff's Office to check in on you and see if there's anything that you need. And so it's a beautiful way for this church to be able to offer their people, their congregation who wants to do something but feels like they're not empowered to do anything in this time when they can really just sit on their couch. And so this is a way that they're meeting such tangible needs and really serving the most vulnerable. So when we found out about this, we said, okay, one church is doing this. That's awesome. There's probably some other volunteers in the community doing it. That's also awesome. But 30,000 names, could we get more churches to actually work together to do way more together than we ever could apart? And so I was able to contact the 20 or so churches on our list that have been involved throughout the years in clinics or design studios, and just pass along the opportunity and say, hey, are you guys interested? And so through that, now there are multiple churches coming together, committing, and showing the Sheriff's Office and Clackamas County in general that the church actually cares and that they love and they want to be a part of something like this. So now volunteers from different churches all over Clackamas County are participating in this awesome project. Seniors are getting loved. The Sheriff's Office is able to do this awesome project. Truly, everyone wins. And so it was a super big honor for Compassion Connect to be that tiny link in the much bigger plan. But mostly, I'm just so excited to see an opportunity like this just get traction. So I hope that encouraged you today. I hope you're excited about what's happening in Clackamas County, and maybe even it inspires you to do something in your own neighborhood.